How to convert USDT to BNB on Bybit. So let me show you how to do it step by step. After you open up now your Bybit app like this, go to trade. After you come to the trade section, now tap on this convert at the top left side. Under the convert, now tap on this first arrow, this one. So now go ahead now and select USDT. Select USDT in this option now. Now here is the USDT. So in the second arrow, this one, go and select BNB. So here is the BNB. After select the BNB, now specify the amount of the USDT you want to convert into BNB in this option now. After you type in the amount in this option, just tap on this cut button. From there, it will give you another button which says convert. After you tap on the convert, now you convert your USDT into BNB. If you want to see the amount, just tap on this back arrow and go to asset. From there, you'll be able to find your USDT. And that's it, guys.